Hello everyone, welcome back to multi-channel YouTube services and entertainments. How to use menu setting and setup. How to change C degrees or F degrees. How to set up date and time. Thermometer or thermometer. Model number DET-306.
Press hold start to change C to F. Press start once to change from F to C or C to F. This is Mercury stored previous temperature readings can store from 1 to 10. This is very useful so you know each time to measure temperature. Press hold power button to display Mercury. Press power once again to display 1 to 10 previous storage reading. To change date and time. When thermometer is off, press hold power button. You will see date on display screen. Press start to set date. Press power to go to next year or month or day and time. Quick.
Infrared thermometer model DET-306. Quick help guide. LCD display. Mode button. Start button. Power button. Time and date. AM and PM. Sign and time mode. Low voltage. Mercury mode. Unit sign, degrees Celsius or degrees Fahrenheit. Temperature display. Temperature indicator. Forehead. Mode. Object mode. Quick setup. 1. Make sure to properly install 2 AAA batteries. 2. Power on by pressing power button. 3. Set the time and date using the start button. 4. Select forehead mode by pressing mode button until the forehead icon displays. 5. Select the temperature unit for Fahrenheit or Celsius. Turn thermometer off. Press and hold start button for 3 seconds. B. Press and release start button to select degrees Fahrenheit or degrees Celsius. C. When correct mode is on display, press the power button to exit and save Chang. Basic temperature taking. 1. If the thermometer is stored in a significantly different environment than testing location, place it in the testing location for approximately 30 minutes prior to use. 2. Users and thermometer should be in the same ambient temperature for at least 10 minutes before taking measurements. 3. Press the power button to begin. Time, unit mode and forehead object mode should be visible and there will be 2 beeps when the thermometer is ready to take a measurement. 4. Hold the thermometer approximately 1 away from head. Aim steady at the center of the forehead and press the start button. 5. Temperature will show on the display along with a beep or beeps once measurement is complete. If a temperature greater than 100 degrees Fahrenheit is measured, there will be a long beep followed by 3 short beeps. B. Do not move the thermometer until beeps stop. 6. Wait at least 3 seconds after the beep to take the next temperature reading. Troubleshooting. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. High. Low.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. All the best.